If you've been using VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, you'll love this new function because it's more powerful, flexible, and easier to use. So, let's get started. Why use XLOOKUP? So, what makes XLOOKUP so special? Unlike VLOOKUP, which can only search data from left to right, XLOOKUP can search in any direction. That means it can look up data vertically or horizontally. It also solves some of the problems that VLOOKUP has, like errors and limited search capabilities. Plus, you don't have to worry about counting columns, which can mess up your formula if you add or remove columns later. Alright, let's jump into Excel to see XLOOKUP in action. I have a list of 20 products along with their prices, stock levels, suppliers, and ratings. Let's take a look at our table. Suppose we want to find the price for product M. Let's use XLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP. Click on cell J5. Now, type the formula slowly with me. Equals X, lookup, open parenthesis. Product M, this is what we are searching for. Comma B3 to B22. This is where we are looking for product M. Comma C3 to C22. These are the columns we want to get data from, the price column, close parenthesis. The formula looks like this. Here, the formula is searching for product M in the product column and returns the price. And look, we got 95. Now let's see another powerful feature of XLOOKUP. It can search horizontally too. Here, we have sales data for different products across multiple regions. Let's say we want to find the sales of product D in region 3. Click on cell E13. Type the formula equals XLOOKUP open parenthesis, region 3. This is what we are searching for, comma E3 to I3. These are the region headers, comma E7 to I7. These are the sales numbers for product D, close parenthesis. The formula should look like this. And there you go. We found that the sales in region 3 are 1000. Now let's see how XLOOKUP can handle errors. If we search for something that isn't in our list, like product Z, VLOOKUP would usually give us an error. Let's try it first with XLOOKUP. Click on cell J5. Type the formula equals XLOOKUP open parenthesis. Product Z, comma B3 to B22, comma C3 to C22, comma item not found, close parenthesis. The formula should look like this. Instead of showing an error, it gives a friendly message, item not found. Let's try similar search with VLOOKUP. And you can see that VLOOKUP is giving us the error of NA. Finally, let's use XLOOKUP for multiple criteria. Here, we want to find both the price and stock for product M. Click on cell J5. Type the formula equals XLOOKUP open parenthesis. Product M, comma B3 to B22, comma C3 to D22. Close parenthesis. The formula should look like this. This way, we get both the price and stock levels at once. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the powerful XLOOKUP function to make your Excel skills even better. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Skills Exceed channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more Excel tips.